9 to 5, 5 to 9 kind of life, yeah, I've been doubling. I get so mad, pick what's from my brain just like it's a weaponry. I'm ready to.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to The Golden Life. And in today's video, I'm going to be tackling my refrigerator as well as my freezer because I just need to get it under control. It's something in there that doesn't smell too well, so I just got to figure out what's in there. I did go ahead and go grocery shopping this particular day as well as the day before. I went to the farmer's market, so I do have a lot of groceries that just need to be organized and put away, washed and cleaned and all of that. But because I didn't clean my kitchen before, I'm okay with just putting everything away. But you'll see me pull everything out. Don't worry, we do not have nasty things going on except for the freezer and the fridge. It's a lot of spills in there. You guys know how it is. I am a family of 6, so things happen. People are in and out of the kitchen all day long, and it just needs to be put together nice and neatly. Today's video is also in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Kane, from Kane in Real Life, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself, and I will see you guys in a minute.
Hi guys, my name is Kane, and I am a mom of 3, a fiance, and an educator by day. My channel, Kane in Real Life, includes content such as cleaning motivation. I also include shopping hauls and decorate with me videos, whether it's seasonal or just decorating around the house. You will also find tons of organization videos, as well as videos that include me and my family of 5. So if that's your thing, when you're done here, come on over and check me out.
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is just get all the dishes out of the dishwasher and then just clear off the countertops, because I just want to make sure the countertops and the sink is all cleared, because I will be washing some fruits and vegetables, and I want to make sure that there's nothing in there that is gross and nasty. I like to be thorough, especially around food. I like everything to be nice and clean. I know I'm kind of making double the mess, but again, you can never be too sure. So we're going to clear off the dishes, clear off the counters, and then we'll get into organizing the fridge. If this is your first time to my channel, let me go ahead and formally introduce myself. My name is Ryan. I'm a wife, a stay-at-home working mom, and I like to make cleaning, organizing, and to share my non-toxic lifestyle tips and tricks with you all. So if you're interested in something like that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the Golden Life.
My trade in the world, I can't be my worst enemy. I just need to get your break, or maybe just a holiday. I got no cure for this kind of disease, a workaholic with no will to get free. I just need to catch a break, catch a break. All of the sacrifice has to pay off, there's no way it means nothing. God knows I tried my whole life, but I just need a sign, give me something. I feel like caving into the tiredness, just wanna give up. Pathetic me, mom didn't raise me a quitter, no I ain't done. I just need to catch a break, or maybe just a holiday.
Okay, so now that the kitchen is nicely decent, I'm going to go ahead, empty everything on the side drawer, and just wipe everything down with some hot soapy water. And I am just using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the, I think it's geranium scent. And just make sure I'm getting everything a nice good wipe down. I'm going to clean the doors out and then put everything back and then wipe down everything that is going back, because we just want to make sure there's no spills or any like leftover like food or sauces on the bottles, because if we're doing all of this, you might as well go full on, right? Because I had just went grocery shopping, I did forget that I had stuff that was kind of somewhat melting. So I hurry up and quickly finished up with the door and then just moved on to the freezer just because I'm like, I need to get this stuff in the freezer because it's starting to melt. And I am going to do the same thing, wipe everything down with some hot soapy water and just give it a nice wipe down, make sure that everything is nice and clean, and then start putting everything back. Let me know down below, what is one thing that you always have to have on hand in your household? For us, it's definitely frozen mangoes, fresh blueberries, because my kids are obsessed with them. They eat them like Skittles. That is just kind of like our type of Skittles. Me, I'm not a big fan of blueberries, only if they are like sour. That's the only time I really like them. Pineapple is a must as well. We are always going through pineapple. We probably buy like maybe 3 or 4 pounds a week just because everyone in our household really, really loves it. I think it's everybody's favorite fruit except for my oldest. He's the only one that doesn't like it. And then milk is also one thing. It's pretty big in our household. We've been making lots of hot chocolate, regular cold hot chocolate with whipped cream and chocolate chips and all types of stuff, just kind of sprucing it up since we have been quarantined and staying inside. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, what is something that you keep on hand? Okay, so I was struggling and really trying not to have to bring everything out, but I don't know if it's just this type of fridge, but I couldn't get this part down. I don't know if I've gotten it down before. It's been a while, but I was struggling, as you can see that. But the tomato was squished on the back side, so it was just coming down everywhere. And so I'm just taking my rag and just kind of going back and forth as best as I can to really get it. I'm using the Sow Suds to get it out, the stains, because I need something a little bit better and cleaner, just to wipe everything down. If you've been in my channel before, you already know that I'm in love with the Sow Suds. It just has like a really flat, fresh, basic scent, and it does so much, and I just love it. And then I am going to go ahead and get everything else out because, like I said, I was trying to avoid this part. But the more I started cleaning, I was like, you know what? You're already doing all this. Go ahead and just really do the damn things. So that is just kind of what I did. And yeah. Okay, so now is the time to start putting everything back now that everything is nice and clean. I definitely need to invest in a little bit more of like storage containers. I used to have a lot more, but because I try to live a non-toxic lifestyle, we use glass, and I've broken a few, way too many, and that just kind of is something that happens when you do have glass. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know down below. There is one brand at Target that has like I don't know, like a rubber to kind of protect the glass from breaking. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with that just because it has a lot of color, and I just want to stay in like the white or black kind of color coordination. That makes sense. I know I may be being a little dramatic and it's like, girl, just get some Tupperware, but I like things to match. It's a little bit of OCD, but it's okay. So yeah, like I said, if you guys have any recommendations, let me know down below. Alright you guys, so that wraps up today's video. Here is an overview of everything that is put away nice and neatly. Again, I don't really have the Tupperware just because, or I shouldn't say Tupperware, but glass containers to put everything in. So it's not really aesthetically pleasing, but I, made everything work to my best ability. I liked how everything turned out. Everything makes sense. I can find everything, because before it was just a hot mess and I couldn't find everything. So now everything is nicely put away. Fruits are where the fruits are. Vegetables are where the vegetables go. There's no more spills. Everything smells nice and fresh. Once again, I just wanted to remind you guys to also go and check out Kane's channel. Her channel and her video will be down in the description for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!